Stay in line, okay, for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. We are making the arrangements. Okay. Okay. Are you able to hear now? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is
Yes, ma'am.
clarity.
No, ma'am.
No.
No
clear now.
clarity, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's little blur.
Blur. It's only on the cell phone we are doing class. Okay, try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. Try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
Not visible, ma'am.
What about rest of the students? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now we
ma'am.
can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you, but it's
Yes, ma'am.
little blurred, ma'am.
Board
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is not? I just put the volume. See now?
Clear,
Now,
ma'am.
dear students,
Clear,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Clear.
can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can hear, ma'am. ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನಂತ
I want your answers. Students,
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I continue the class?
Continue,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
video is blur, man.
Ma'am, video is blur, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hear me now.
Yes, ma'am, but it is
We
getting
can
Yes,
stuck.
hear
ma'am.
you.
Voice also. Now clear, ma'am.
Okay, done. Shall I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are articles? It is in the demonstrative adjective. Now, what is demonstration? Which shows.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, demonstration means which shows. An article is a demonstrative adjective which demonstrates, which shows what? Whether the noun is definite or indefinite. So if they ask you for the definition of article, they'll not ask you in general, I'm telling you, keep this in mind. What is an article? An article is a demonstrative adjective. It demonstrates whether the noun is definite or indefinite. That is the work of article. Okay. So what is article? An article is a demonstrative adjective which demonstrates or which shows whether the noun is, what is it? Whether the noun is definite
Definitely.
or indefinite. Now, we categorize articles into two. We categorize articles into two. One is definite and one is indefinite article. Okay, we categorize this into two. One is definite and one is indefinite. When I say definite, article the is called as definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an.
Yeah, and then.
Yes or no? Now what do you have to do? How you have to make out whether the given noun is definite or indefinite. You have to write before the noun. Whatever noun they have given to you, before the noun, you have to write articles. There are some conditions. Okay. Definite and indefinite. Under the definite, we have got article the. Under the indefinite article, we have got a and an. Now, what am I going to do? You wrote this, finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
A new book for this.
Done, ma'am.
Long notebook for grammar part. First thing concept is there. This whatever I taught you that day, you write down all the different parts of speech. Sentence I taught you, different parts of speech I taught you. After this, I am starting with the textbook. This is articles. So what's an article? An article is a demonstrative adjective which demonstrates whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Now there are two, definite and indefinite articles. I'll take the first one as indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A and an. Now what are indefinite? It can be used for anything. It can be used for anything, that's why it is called as indefinite. When you write the word indefinite, you should understand that a and an should be written before the noun, given noun. But where you should write and where you should not write, that is very important. When I say a and an, they are written before the countable noun.
My board is not clear.
What is not clear? Why it's not visible to you? What is happening?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay.
Clear.
It's clear.
Okay. One second. I think that residue is there. A and an is written before the countable noun or singular noun. A and an is written before the countable noun and before the singular noun. It is written before the countable noun or singular noun. Example, dash book. How many book? How many books?
One book.
One. I have not written books. I have written book. Yes or no? What I have written? Book. Dash egg.
An egg.
Dash union. Dash ice cream. Dash pen. Dash pencil. Dash star. Dash sun. Dash street. I've given so many examples. How are we going to find out? We have to add a or we have to add an. Very, very important thing it is. That is what you have to understand. Now we are writing before the singular noun, that is countable, which is very easy for you to count. I know when I say book, it is singular. I have to write a only. Yes or no? A book. Then for egg,
An egg.
why?
Oval.
Vowels.
No, oval number.
Okay, union,
An.
An union.
A union.
Why?
Ma'am,
Someone telling A, someone telling and. Give me the correct answer.
A union.
ma'am.
Why?
It's
Why?
not having vowel sound.
It does not
It
have.
has con.
Okay, right. I'll agree with you. But I'll explain to you later. A union. This.
An ice cream.
An ice cream.
This.
A pen.
A pen.
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 Pencil.
Pencil.
A pencil.
This.
A star.
Star.
This.
A street.
A street.
A street.
Yes. Now, though these two are indefinite article, but they are being categorized based on the consonant sounds. This is written only before the vowel sounds. Now, which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Wherever A sounds A, wherever E sounds A, wherever I sounds E, wherever O sounds O, wherever U sounds A. Only if they sound these, then you have to write article and. Example, union. This sounds U. But what is the sound of U? It is a. Kannada a. Umbrella, we say. Don't you say?
Umbrella.
Yes, Aradhya has told me already. U, it sounds correct. Why I have not written, though U is a vowel, but it is not the sound. We have to write article and before the vowel sound, not before the vowel. The sound is very, very important. Though we have written U, but I am writing a union. Why? Because it does not have a vowel sound. Wherever you read, if A is sounding A, before that you have to write an. Where E is sounding A, you have to write an. Where I is sounding E, you have to write an. Where O is sounding O or O, both are correct. Then also you have to write an. Where U is sounding A, there you have to write an. The rest, you have to only write A. What do you have to write? A. Example, one more. Dash honest man.
An honest.
An honest man.
Why?
Sounding
Because it's
I'm
A.
sipping I'm sipping some tea. Give me some time. Honest man. Pick the right man. Okay, tell me. Why? What do we write? Dash honest man.
An honest man.
Why? Because H is silent. We take O. O or O. Both is correct. Okay. This is, we take the sound. Though we have got consonant word, letter, we don't consider the letter. We consider the sound. Just because it has a vowel sound, we write an honest man. Now this one. Give me one example. Dash European man.
A European man.
Are you
A European man.
Why? Though E is a vowel, but the sound is U. Though E is a vowel, but the sound is
U.
what is the sound?
U.
U sounds what? U sounds consonant. That's why you should write a European man. Understanding?
Yes,
and again,
ma'am.
dash university.
A university.
Dash R.
A university.
Dash one-legged man. This sounds
A university.
This sounds U. That's a little word. A university. Then this sounds,
An
An
hour.
A
hour.
yes, we take this again.
An hour.
Yes, H is silent. Yes or no?
An
H is
hour.
silent. We
An hour.
take an hour. This dash one-legged man.
Oh, one-legged
A.
man.
Yes, word does not come under vowel sounds. That's why you should write a one-man leg. See the difference? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first condition,
Yes, ma'am.
an is written before the countable singular noun. A is written before the consonant sounds. An is written before the vowel sounds. So write down this. I'll give the next point. Write some examples also. Are you able to see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am.
Right.
Written, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. Now, where else do we use? Next, we use article A. For the next condition we use is, second one is before numerical expressions. Numerical means what? Number. We write article A where before the numerical expressions. When you are expressing numerically, give me one example. I need a cup of tea. Then please buy me a dozen eggs. See, before numerical expressions we use article A. Even an can be used if it is vowel sound. A or an, both. If it is a vowel sound, only keep in mind vowel and consonant. If it is consonant or it is vowel, keep this in mind. Got it? No reaction from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Very important. She traveled 100 kilometers. She handed a 1,000 note to me. I wanted a rupee. Then a lot. She makes a lot of money. It is a great deal. See the expressions, numerical or expressions. See, very important.
Ma'am, 100 sound consonant or vowel, ma'am?
Which one?
Ma'am, 100.
100 is a consonant or vowel?
Why you are worried for that? 100 is a consonant. Sound is her, na? It's not 100. It is 100. Her. HUNDRED. 100 rupees. Even few, little, there also you write. I want a few books. I want a little space. You can write like that also. I want a little space. Numerical or expressions, both. One more you can write. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. See where all you write article A. Understood? Yes, dear students, reply. Then this is a small number. Then she makes a lot of noise. I wanted to write so many examples I'm giving you. I want that you write each and every example, which is very, very important for you. Finished writing?
Yes, 1 minute, ma'am.
Take your own time.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, right. All of you have to write. Yes, the rest, you're finished?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, right. So you should understand where do we use article A and an. A and an are used before singular countable noun. They are used before numerical, they are used before expressions. See how they are used. It can be numerical or it can be expressions. So it's very easy that I should use article A before the vowel sound. I have to use article and before the, article A before the consonant sounds, article and before the vowel sounds. That thing if you keep in your mind, it will be very easy. Now we are going for the next one. That is definite article. Which is definite article?
Do.
Definite article the. This is used for plural. Uncountable. Particular. There are many uses. Unique. So many I teach all. First and foremost, I'll take the plural form. See, there we wrote dash book, dash star, dash egg. dash books, dash stars, dash eggs. Here we don't see the sounds at all. In the definite article, we don't see the sound. We only see the number. It is a plural form. It is uncountable. I have to write definite article the. See here what we did, because B is a consonant, we wrote A. S is a consonant, we wrote A. E is a vowel, we wrote an. Yes or no? But the other side, now I am going for definite articles. I am going for the plural, uncountable nouns. How many books? We don't know. So we have to only write the books, the stars, the eggs. If you write an eggs, it is wrong, because an means singular, egg means singular. One egg, it is countable. We can count one egg. But that I have given eggs, uncountable noun. That's why you have to write article the. Very important.
Mom, your
Ma'am, you're
voice is
muted.
muted.
Where you have to write article the plural, uncountable
Plural.
nouns. Yes. See, though we have written the same this thing, book, books, stars, stars, egg, eggs. This can be counted. We are speaking about one thing. This will be based on the sounds, but this will not be based on anything. This will be only based because they are plural. They are uncountable. I have to write article the. Okay? Write down. I go for the next one. Finished? Second condition. You are speaking about a particular thing. Person, thing, or already referred. Read this. Speaking about a particular thing. Speaking about a particular thing, person, or already referred. If we have already referred, then what we are going to use? We are going to use the definite article the. For this, I'll give an example. The book you were asking is here. The book is singular. Understanding? The book is singular. Pay attention. Reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I am writing the book? Because someone has asked for a specific book, you are giving them a specific book. Correct? Though it is a singular, but you are writing particular. Read this. Speaking about particular person, thing, or already referred to. I am first going for particular. Repeat it. I do again. Someone has asked you for one specific book. You are giving them that book. The book you were asking, a book you were asking is wrong. The book you were asking, I have bought it for you, or I am giving it for you, or I have given for print. Whatever you write, that is not important for me. For me, important is what? The book, though it is singular. How will you understand? You were asking is. So this shows it is particular. They are speaking about some particular thing. Okay? Next one. How will you write? I dislike dash fellow.
This fellow.
Why you are using that? Only we have to write articles only. You'll write a, you'll write an, or you'll write the.
The.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because here particular person has been referred to.
Very good. I dislike the fellow. You are specifying about some person that you dislike them, you don't like them. You are specifying them and telling me that this person is not being liked by you.
Ma'am, but most of the time we'll use that, no, ma'am.
No. But if they tell you to write the article, they'll give you a specification.
Yes, ma'am.
If they don't give you a specification, this is correct. That also is correct. But here I'm going only with articles. I'm not going with anything else. That is very common usage, but this is a different usage. That's why I'm bringing these kind of sentences before you. So what are you going to write? I dislike the fellow. The fellow is being disliked by me. See the book. Though both are singular, I am using article the. See it. Why I am writing the party?
Ma'am, because specific party is being referred.
It can be party, it can be club, it can be movie, it can be teacher, it can be anything. But when you are specifying it, when you are giving the particulars, at that junction you have to write article the. You cannot write let us all go to a party. No, that becomes a complete different statement. But you are specifying them that let us all go to the party. Let us all party. Then you don't need to write any article there.
Then, ma'am, first rule what you told was a false, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, first sentence which you told that the is used before only plural words, then that is false, ma'am.
It is not false. It is not false. That's why I am giving this condition now. See here.
Yes.
A book you were asking is here. Does it make sound? Does it sound correct?
No, ma'am.
Then why I am telling the book? See, if this is the book, you are asking me. I take this book. I am particular about this. If it is any book, I want a book. But when you are specifying it, when you are giving me the details, when you are giving me the particular unique thing you are giving me, when you are telling me very specifically, then I am using. Now this is a book you have asked me. Ma'am, I want a book. I want a book. I want the book. You will not say I want a book. You will say I want the book which you had in your hand. Take the book which you wanted. Take a book means any book.
Okay, ma'am.
It can be any book then. Why specify? When we specify, you were looking for, you were asking for. I am specifying it. I found a book. I found the lost book. You will not say I found the lost book. Why the lost book? Because this was the book which was being lost by you. It was specific, and you are finding the same book which was being lost by you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, let us all go to party.
Ma'am, maybe one person know that maybe one person may be referred, ma'am, that party is.
Give me that.
Ma'am, ma'am, let in that only, ma'am. Let us go to party. Go to the party.
That's why I'm telling you. Let's party also.
Ma'am, in that.
Let's go for a party also is correct.
Ma'am, in that. Ma'am, in that any one person, ma'am, the team may be referred, ma'am. That party is there. That is only, ma'am. But remaining people may be surprising, or they know already.
Right. So what? Let us go to the Ganesh party. We will not say. Let us go to this party. We cannot write.
Ma'am, to other person, the party place is known or unknown, no, ma'am. That is referred or not referred.
That is not important for you. That is not whether it is. They know the place or they don't know. Please don't bother for all those things. That is totally eradicated.
Ma'am, that is referred or not referred, no, ma'am.
Ma'am,
that people not referred, no, ma'am.
Not referred. That is not important. This is a different topic. What I'm giving you is a different topic. This is not connected to here. All I'm telling you, I am only teaching this. This I have not come here.
Yes, ma'am. We are talking about particular.
I am not speaking this. Still, I am not come. Already referred. I am not come only. I am only speaking about particular person or thing. Person what? I'm telling about this. I dislike the fellow. I'm speaking about one particular person whom I dislike. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
Yes, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ma'am. We are describing of particular. Yes, ma'am.
I'm speaking only of particular. I'm speaking about person or thing. Thing here is the book. You were looking for this book. If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
say
Got
a
ma'am.
book, no, if I say a book, you were looking for it. Can be any book. That makes sense. But when you are particularly asking for one book, the book you were looking for, I'm giving you this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are talking about only particular. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Particular, right? See, this also. Let us all go to the party. Means someone has already arranged the party. Let us all go
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
party is correct. Let us all go means that is undecided. Come on, let's go. Nadira ellaru one party hogana. One party hogana. Ellaru banni aa party ge hogana. It has been organized by someone, your friend, your family, whatever it is. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got ma'am.
It is particular that he is inviting them to go to that party only which has been organized. We are not bothered who has organized. My question here is to you is particular thing or person.
Yes, ma'am. Got ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should take the sentences first, use before and after this, and we have to decide now.
Before and after. No. You cannot use like this. Here I am taking the book only, na. If I give dash book, you were asking is here. What you do immediately? You write a book. If you read the whole sentence, you understand that they are speaking about a particular book. It is not any book. Now, one simple example I'll give. See here. You'll understand what I want to convey. Dash boy was sitting on a bench. Dash boy
First one, ma'am.
with a blue cap was sitting on a bench.
Da.
Same sentence. But I am giving one particular person, giving some indication about them. First one, dash boy sitting on the bench. If you write A here, it will be very wrong. That's why I'm trying to tell you. Here, what I'm telling. Dash boy, it can be any boy. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಮ್ಗೇನು ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಎ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ a boy was sitting on the bench. Dash boy with the blue cap. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇನು
Particular boy.
we are speaking about one particular person. We write the boy. ಅವನು ಸಿಂಗಲೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಂಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಂಗಲೇ ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಈ ಬುಕ್ ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಫೆಲೋ ನನಗೆ ಅವನು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡ್ರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಅವನು ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆರ್ ಹರ್
Okay, ma'am.
got it yes I told you this party is being arranged by someone he is telling that let us go to that party only the party let us all go for a party is also correct but I am not given for let us all go to a party that is also correct but when it is here like this when it is a and the you have to keep this in mind how you read the sentence. Let us all go for a party is correct. Let us all go to a party is wrong. For a party means any party. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಾರಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ನವೀನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ
Yes, ma'am.
That junction what you will do let us all go to the party. You know that there is a specific place, there is a specific junction. At that junction, you have to write the party. Any doubts?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll go for this. Referred already. I'll go for this referred already word. A dash farmer was sowing his fields. Dash farmer had worked hard. He had 3 sons. One simple example I'm giving. Dash sons were very sincere. You have to write the article A and the. How will you decide? I can write A, or I can write and, or I can write the. How will you decide?
A farmer was good.
Why a farmer?
I'm the farmer.
We don't
I'm
know
the farmer.
Ma'am, our farmer was sowing.
A
Tell me
farmer.
correctly. Tell me
A
correctly.
Half hour, ma'am.
A farmer,
Our
ma'am.
farmer, ma'am.
So many of you are telling me the.
It's a farmer.
2 of you have told me A, 3 of you have told me A, 3 of you told me the. See, we don't know about the farmer. When you start about someone unknowingly, when you start, Sanjay, I'll come back to you, Sanjay. Your answers are correct, dear, but I'll come back to you. When you are unaware about anyone, in general, we are speaking, we are referring for the first time, then you have to write a farmer because we don't know which farmer. Then you have to see whether it is singular or plural. If it is singular, it should be consonant. For reason, consonant sound, you have to write a farmer. But was sowing his field, dash farmer. We know about which farmer we are already referred to. Now, ಆ farmer ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. It can be a farmer, it can be anything, person, animal, thing. When you are writing for the second time about the same person, then you have to write article the. Understood? This is any. This is particular. Already we know we are speaking about this farmer. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಒಬ್ರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಒಬ್ರು ವಸ್ತು ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ whom we are speaking. Got it?
Yes.
Any doubt? I still feel there is lots of doubt with you.
No doubt.
A farmer was sowing a field. We don't know which farmer. But second time we know about which farmer we are speaking. That's why we are writing article there. When you are already referred to the noun, for the second time when you are writing about the same noun, you have to write article the. Simple concept. The farmer had worked hard. He had 3 sons. We know that we are again speaking about the sons. Then you have to write the sons. Even if it is singular, if it is plural, you have to write the son. Doubts? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Taking up a point for you. I did about particular person. Already referred to ಮಾಡಿದಾಗನು the add ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep your doubts till tomorrow. If you have doubt, you raise a question tomorrow. Okay? Till then, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.